Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy lollipops. Begin by measuring 2 cups granulated sugar and a tablespoon of light corn syrup, mixed gently until evenly combined. Warm the mixture over low heat until it reaches a clear, syrupy texture and soft crack stage. Use food coloring sparingly and flavor extracts for subtle taste. Spinner technique requires steady hands and quick, even motion to form thin floss strands. Set up a clean workspace with heat-proof bowls and a candy thermometer. Preheat your cotton candy machine according to manufacturer instructions and ensure the spinner head is secure completely. Line up wooden lollipop sticks and prepare a cooling rack or parchment for finished lollipops. Keep a damp cloth nearby to manage stray sugar threads and use gloves to protect hands from heat while shaping the lollipops quickly before they harden. Quick recommendation: keep music or timers handy while you work, and the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for that. The Echo Dot fills kitchen spaces with clear sound, answers timers, and reads recipes hands-free to keep your workflow safe and focused. If you like the sound of that, check the description for the link and other deals to grab one easily. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Start the machine and pour a thin, steady stream of syrup into the spinner while rotating a wooden stick near the edge to catch floss. Build layers slowly, turning the stick and compressing floss gently to form a round lollipop shape. Add small amounts of flavor extract or color between layers for even distribution. Once set, press the end to seal and trim stray threads for a clean finish before wrapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.